Hi, my name is Brian James. Now for over 50 years I've been a photographer. I've enjoyed taking photographs throughout that time since I was a small boy. In this series I'm going to try and share some of the hints and tips that I was given by the masters of the art at that time to try and give you a start in photography. This series is aimed at the beginner. It's aimed at those who are just getting the camera for the first time, maybe never used a camera before or only used a mobile phone. Join me, I'll try and get through some of the jargon, try and get through some of the mystique of photography and make your journey an enjoyable one and a productive one to take great creative photographs. When I'm going to take photographs, I'm presuming that we're going to go all the way back to the basics on this one. And in the first two videos I've shown you how to reset your camera to get it back to factory reset. And in the last video I suggested using everything on the auto setting, and I stand by those at the moment because we're still going to start slowly expanding our knowledge of photography. Now it's all very well having a camera like this. It's got all sorts of whistles and bells and buttons and all sorts of gauges and dials, whatever it is on there. But there is still an art to taking a photograph which has nothing to do with the technology. We need to have a look at what we want to see. We need to have a look at the subject we're taking a photograph of. And we need to give ourselves time to assimilate it and the camera time to take the best shot. All too often new photographers dive in when they just keep on pressing the button, pressing the button, pressing the button and wonder why they get really poor results. So I have a simple 3-word reminder for me. Breathe, pause and press. Simple as that. When we're aiming to take a photograph, get it up, see what we're going to do, and just before we're going to take the photograph, take a breath, ease it out slightly, pause, see what's in there, half press the button for the shutter, and then press. What it's doing is it's going to slow your heart rate down, and it's going to slow the whole of you down. You're not going to be full of adrenaline. You're going to ease yourself into the photograph a little bit. So if I'm taking a photograph of you watching me, I'm going to bring the camera up to my eye. I'm going to breathe and I'm going to slow my breath down. I'm going to pause and I'm going to see what's inside the shutter that we see while I've half pressed that button. That's got it into focus. That's got everything working and all the metering done. And when I'm ready, I just squeeze, I just press the button. Simple as that. Breathe, pause, then press. It's not a race, you don't need to be dashing into things. Enjoy the photograph, enjoy each individual photograph. If we're going to do fast photography, we can learn that later on. But for now, breathe, pause and press. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget, if you did, there's a subscribe button below, hit that. And if you can, remember, there's a little bell to get notifications. Hit that and the all button, and that will send you notifications whenever I upload a new video in this series. And also, don't forget, there's a PayPal link below. Buy me a cup of coffee to help to keep the channel going, and give us a thumbs up before you leave. See you next time. Bye-bye. So I have a simple three-word reminder for me.